Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the quaint town of Milestone, Saskatchewan, a place that embodies the spirit of rural Canada. Established in 1906, Milestone has a rich history that dates back to the early 20th century when the Canadian Pacific Railway played a crucial role in the settlement and growth of the area. The town was named in honor of C.W. Milestone, a railway engineer who played a significant role in the development of the railway lines in the area. This connection to the railway is a key part of the town's heritage, symbolizing the importance of transportation in the growth of the community. Over the years, Milestone has grown into a town known for its strong agricultural roots and the dedication of its residents. Whether you're exploring the charming streets or enjoying the natural beauty of the surrounding countryside, Milestone offers a peaceful and welcoming environment. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Milestone, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.